Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be sharing the recipe of the mascarpone cheese. Take fresh cream in a saucepan and cook it at low flame. Well, I would suggest you to use Amul brand fresh cream to get best result. Mascarpone is an Italian cheese which is made out of cream. I made the Italian dessert which is tiramisu using this mascarpone cheese. We have to cook it at a very low flame, and once the bubble starts to appear at the sides of the pan, add in the lemon juice. After adding the lemon juice, you can see the cream gets thickened. You could witness the cream splattering out of the pan like this while cooking. So give it a stir and cover it occasionally. This is the consistency. When you run your finger along the center of the ladle, the line should be visible and stay as such. It took 7 minutes for me to get this consistency. I have placed a strainer onto a bowl and lined it with the muslin cloth. Now pour in the cream and cool it completely. Once cooled, refrigerate it for overnight. We'll get creamy, soft mascarpone cheese after refrigerating it overnight. We can store this mascarpone cheese in fridge for 5 days and up to 1 month in freezer. We'll get little whey while making this cheese. You can use it to make chapati dough. I got 260 grams of mascarpone cheese out of 500 milliliters of fresh cream. Transfer it into an airtight container to store it in the refrigerator. Look at the texture of the mascarpone cheese, friends. If the cheese is quite hard, means mix nicely using a spatula to soften it. As I said earlier, I made eggless tiramisu using this mascarpone cheese. I'll share the recipe link in the description below. These are the delicious tiramisu jars. The speciality of the tiramisu is that it's eggless and the mascarpone cheese as well as the lady fingers are homemade. Do try this tiramisu and share me the feedback. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.